you give me energy and I give you energy, and we just kind of go at it, and it's so fun.
Yeah,
But
our
my
conversations
name is
are always
Terri
so fun.
Mays, and I'm the IT Relationship and Customer Experience Manager at Honda Manufacturing of Alabama. I've been with Honda for 5 years, just celebrated my fifth anniversary here. I have been in IT for more than 25 years, doing various roles on IT teams and working on different projects and with different customers. Here at Honda, I also chair the African Americans in Manufacturing Business Resource Group, and I am also, as if I have a whole lot of free time, but I do co-chair a Business Relationship Management Institute Community of Interest group with Miguel Cockburn and Steve Plant, who actually works with Frank. So it's really exciting to be here.
And, tell us a little bit about, the accomplishments that you achieved at Honda in customer support by focusing on the human side of that area. Because this is this is real, right? This is not,
Yeah,
just a
yeah,
theoretical discussion. We're talking about real accomplishments in an important workplace.
yeah. So first off, I have to say that it was a team effort. I had to leverage relationships. So I built a really strong relationship with our end user computing manager.
Hmm.
We spent a lot of time together, just doing different tasks, but also getting to know each other in the process. And because we spent so much time together, our spouses spent a lot of time together as
Yeah,
well. So we wanted to
fabulous.
make sure that everybody understood what we were doing. But in the process of that, I really developed a great friend. And so out of that friendship, we began to restructure the team and really decide some things about how we thought the direction the team should go, some of the strategies behind who to hire and who not to hire. Like, we changed a lot about that. We changed a lot of what we were looking for, not just people. So he supports help desk, PC services, print management. At the time, he also had cell phone support and desk phone support. So it was just not just looking for skilled technicians, but also looking for people technicians,
Yeah.
people that understood the importance of providing a great service to people, that it wasn't just about following the script and doing things in a certain way, but actually engaging with people as they're there and not treating them as if they're an interruption in your day. And
Yeah.
so we really worked hard at building that team and making sure that people understood what their responsibilities were and what was expected of them. And then we held them accountable. So it was really a change in philosophy and how we hired. We started on with the help desk was just, we want to offer gold level service. So what is gold level service,
Hmm.
and how can we get people to that next step in providing the best support that they can provide so that issues are resolved first time and they don't have to keep coming back for the same problem over and over again. So there were several metrics that we tracked, but one of them that we tracked was service level attainment. And we tracked our throughput. And what we saw is that our service level attainment went up and our throughput doubled when
Yeah.
we started focusing on the people. And we spent a lot of time pouring into the individuals on the team and making sure that they understood that they were important and what they wanted and how they wanted their team's culture to be was important, but they were the culture.